Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than any technology in human history. It's not just about chatbots and robots anymore. It's about how we work, learn, create, connect, and even understand ourselves. By the year 2030, AI will touch nearly every part of our lives. Some jobs will disappear. Entire industries will transform. And those who understand how to use AI won't just survive, they'll thrive. In this video, we'll explore how AI will reshape the world by 2030 and what you can do starting right now to stay ahead of the curve. Let's jump in. The workplace in 2030 will look nothing like today. AI will replace repetitive jobs like data entry, transcription, technical support, and even customer service. But we're not just talking about basic tasks. AI is already writing ad copy, designing logos, analyzing data, editing videos, and generating voiceovers. In fact, some companies are reducing staff in areas like marketing and operations, and replacing them with AI workflows. But while many jobs will vanish, new ones will emerge. Prompt engineers who train AIs through creative instructions. Automation consultants who help businesses streamline operations. AI ethicists who guide policy, fairness, and accountability. So, what can you do? Start learning how to use AI tools. Don't compete against AI. Learn to collaborate with it. Education will be one of the biggest winners of the AI revolution. By 2030, every student could have a personal AI tutor, adapting lessons to their learning style, pace, and interests. Struggling in math? AI will break it down visually. Reading too slow? AI will summarize chapters, define terms, and quiz you interactively. Tools like ChatGPT, Khanmigo, and Perplexity AI already help students write essays, solve problems, and brainstorm ideas. AI will also help teachers by grading work instantly, identifying learning gaps and recommending lesson plans tailored to each class. Education will shift from one-size-fits-all to one-size-fits-you. And for adults, the rise of micro-learning and AI-driven courses means you'll be able to reskill anytime, anywhere. AI is set to revolutionize healthcare, making it faster, more accurate, and more accessible than ever before. By 2030, AI will detect diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's earlier than human doctors, predict future illnesses based on genetics and lifestyle, recommend personalized treatments tailored to your unique biology. Already, tools like Google's DeepMind and IBM Watson Health are diagnosing conditions with incredible accuracy. AI-powered robots may assist in surgery. Smart wearables will monitor vitals in real time, alerting doctors before symptoms appear. And virtual health assistants will offer 24/7 advice, reminders, and even emotional support. In mental health, AI companions are helping people combat anxiety and depression, offering non-judgmental, round-the-clock support. The result? More lives saved, less strain on doctors, and greater healthcare access for underserved communities. In business, AI isn't just a support tool. It's becoming a creative partner. Entrepreneurs in 2030 will use AI to write sales pages, build websites, generate product mockups, create marketing videos. You won't need a full team, just a good idea and the right tools. Content creators will scale with tools like ChatGPT for scripts, Pictory for videos, ElevenLabs for AI voiceovers, and MidJourney for thumbnails and visuals. Instead of hiring 10 people, you'll collaborate with 10 AIs. Meanwhile, traditional careers like accounting, HR, and data analysis will rely on AI to handle tedious tasks, freeing humans for strategy and decision-making. AI isn't replacing ambition. It's multiplying it. With all this power comes real risk. Who controls the data AI is trained on? What happens if algorithms are biased or worse, misused? By 2030, AI will influence hiring decisions, loan approvals, medical access, even legal outcomes. And if left unchecked, it could widen inequalities, reinforce discrimination, and concentrate power in the hands of tech giants. Governments and companies we'll need to create ethical frameworks to ensure AI is fair, safe, and transparent. And that's where we all come in. Everyday people, creators, workers, and students need to ask the hard questions. Is this AI helping or hurting? Who's accountable? And what happens if it fails? AI can be a force for good, but only if we stay involved in shaping it. The good news? You don't have to wait until 2030 to take action. Here's what you can do today to future-proof yourself. Learn AI tools. Start with ChatGPT, Pictory, Notion AI, and Canva. Build AI literacy. Understand how algorithms work and how they're being used. Develop human skills. Focus on creativity, communication, leadership, and adaptability. Stay informed, follow tech trends, question what you see, and don't fear AI. Learn to lead it. The people who thrive in the AI future aren't the most technical. They're the most curious. Ask questions. Learn fast. Stay open. The next 5 years will reward those who evolve. AI is here. The future isn't 10 years away, it's now. And by 2030, the world will be divided between those who use AI and those who are used by it. So make your choice today. Hit like if you found this helpful. Subscribe to AI Pioneer for more content on the future of tech, and drop a comment below. What's one part of the AI future that excites you the most or scares you? Thanks for watching. And remember, the best way to predict the future is to build it.